Hello, hello. Looks like rain season came to Amed as well. Starting 6 o'clock in the morning until all the way up to some 7:30. There was a pretty strong rain. And there was a rain last night as well. How it's affecting diving? Laura did dive yesterday. They did a drop-off. And there was a lot of rainwater going into the ocean and the visibility dramatically dropped down. So they did only one dive. Morning was amazing. I did another bubble maker dive. Yeah, the visibility on the house reef was really good, but then in some point there was a cold water coming from the depth and brought really murky water. This is a game we playing always during the rain seasons. There is a lot of planning which dive sites to go, which dive sites are not that close to the rivers. Maybe if we have to go to the Chandidasa just simply because here it's so bad visibility. But we'll see. I think the real rain season is still ahead, and we will have another couple of weeks or maybe even a month with good diving. The water temperature at the moment is the most comfortable you have whole year round. 29-30 degrees, perfect.
Teraz тебя уже спасали.
There was a time when the rescue diver course was my specialty. I was the one who always did them because I don't know, everybody trusted, everybody asked me to do this course with them because they heard that I'm kind of doing it really serious. I'm just trying to keep them possibly close to the real situations. And I've been involved in a real rescuing, and that's why it's giving me some ideas how to do it. That is why instructors are not doing the rescue course that often, and they kind of, what they do, they just meet the performance requirement, they just meet standard without real understanding what to do in a real situation. Because honestly, when we're diving, then how many times, if you are diving, been involved in some rescuing? Probably never, which is great. But to teach this course, I think it's really important to keep the situations realistic. Like, for example, surfacing unconscious person, there can be different scenarios. One scenario is this person is unconscious underwater just because simply there is no air in a tank. There can be also some hyperventilation case when the person just simply get unconscious while in a tank there is a lot of air. We're going through all these things. I was really active panic diver and also victim. So the guys got really hard times to rescue me. You know, in a diving, because of the pressure, the breathing is a little bit different, and sometimes it takes an effort to breathe from the tank. It's not the same like you just inhale here on a surface. So that's why some of the people feel uncomfortable with that. It really depends of the regulator, it really depends of the position in which you breathe. Like for example, if you doing the skills and you're sitting on your knees vertically, so that means the half of the lungs is under one pressure and the half of the lungs is under another pressure. The difference is really small, but the people really feel it. So that's why when I'm doing the skills, I'm always I'm asking them to lean forward, then it's easy. So then it's kind of, the water pressure helps to inhale and exhale. It's really minor difference, but the people really feel it and they start simply panicking because building up too much carbon dioxide. It took a time a little bit to figure it out, but yeah, I'm think we did it. Finally she really enjoyed the diving, and we swam around 15 minutes without any problems with the breathing at all. Another thing is, like, I gave her to breathe from the octopus because our octopuses are regulated to give a little bit more air than the primary second stage. When you're looking now at the video, and if you're asking me why she's breathing from the octopus, that's the reason. for watching, follow, subscribe, and see you on the next video again. Bye.